Tired of your hard-earned, awesome Fortnite skin suddenly disappearing and turning you into default Jonesy or Ramirez? Don't worry, we're here to fix that irritating skin glitch and get you back to rocking your favorite look. First, a simple restart can often do the trick. Completely close Fortnite and then relaunch the game. Sometimes this is all it takes to refresh the cosmetic settings and restore your skin. If restarting didn't work, let's dive into your settings. Navigate to the account and privacy section in the settings menu. Scroll down and make sure the show outfit as default to other setting is toggled off. Accidentally turning this on is a common cause. Next, we're going to verify your game files in the Epic Games launcher. Find Fortnite in your library. Click the three dots next to the game and select Verify. This process checks for corrupted or missing files that could be causing the glitch, and it automatically replaces them. Let the verification process complete. It might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed and computer. Once it's done, launch Fortnite again. If the issue persists, try equipping a different skin from your locker and then switching back to your preferred one. Sometimes this forces the game to properly load the cosmetic data. And that should do it. You're now back to rocking your favorite Fortnite skin. If you're still experiencing issues, consider contacting Epic Games support for further assistance. Good luck and happy gaming!